Now you can use this GSM Smart Home mobile app and manage your devices instantly using one click. You can download the app from Play Store. To explain how this mobile app works with GSM-based projects, I use an example system for home applicants. You can get all the resources using the description below. When you open the app, first displays a splash screen, then gives a brief idea about the app. Next, you can create a user account for local authentication. If you lock the app, you want to unlock again using your username and password to access your home devices. Next, you can create your home account. It is used to make connections between the app and the system. You have to enter the name of the home, then the security key of the home, same as mentioned on the system code. Next, you have to enter the SIM card number of the GSM module in the system. You can select your country code before entering the SIM number. All values depend on your choice. After creating both accounts, you navigate to the home screen. Also, you can navigate the device page and sensor page using the navigation bar. On the device page, you can add a new device using the floating Add button. You can select the image and name in the pop-up view. This name should be the same as the device name of the system code for proper communication. Also, you can switch on and off using the toggle button. On the sensor page, you can click the floating Add button to add a new sensor. You can select an image and name in the pop-up view. Also, this name should be the same as the sensor name of the system code for proper communication. To demonstrate how this app works with GSM-based projects, I added 4 devices and 4 sensors on both sides. If you want to get a recent update on the system, you can press the Update button. In a few seconds, the app will update using the received message from the system. Using recent updates, you can control devices to achieve your needs. On the sensor page, if you want to get recent sensor values on the system, you can press the Update icon button. In a few seconds, sensors will update using the received message from the system. On the sensor side, you can use both analog and digital sensors. If you want to add a new device to the system on the code side, you have to change 4 lines. First, define the device PIN number and device status variable as on or off. Next, set up the PIN values. Next, you have to handle incoming commands from the mobile side as on or off. Incoming command format like this way: first device name, next underscore, and its on or off status. At the last point, you have to mention the device status to send mobile message format like this way: first underscore device name, colon with the device status as string, and last underscore. If you want to add a new sensor to the system, on the code side, you have to change 4 lines, same as the device adding process. First, define the sensor pin number and next set up the pin values. Then you have to read and update sensor values using the sensor-specific methods. At the last point, you have to mention sensor values to the send mobile. You can use analog or digital values sent to the system. Message format like this way, first underscore next sensor name, colon sensor values as string and last underscore. You can get all resources using links in the description. If you have any problems, comment below. Thanks for watching.